if you're earning more, hindi mo dapat siya kinakayak. People should be proud that, people who are young are now starting to parang live life and do things at their own terms also. So,
nag-business ako kasi my parents wasn't good in finances. So that's why I find a way to make a solution to it. My first business was food business, and then nag-transfer ako sa finance business, tsaka yun, nag-boom, tapos nag-rental na. I was an intern in a hospital, and then yun, nagkakapital ako. Like, for example, 5,000. Tapos, yun, binibenta ko yung 30 to 50 packs. So, yung net income, share ko kay mama.
Pag kumikita ka, what are you doing with the earnings from the rental?
So, what I do, I have 3 streams of income right now. So, I have salary, business, and then the rental. Yeah. And then, so what I did, I have divided into 5. My savings, investment fund, travel fund, emergency fund, and then stock market fund.
You're 24 years old. Ano yung dream mo? Ano pangarap mo? Do you have a target amount that you want to get? Do you want to be a billionaire? Do you want to have 100 million? Why are you doing this at 24 years old?
Actually, I'm starting yan because I am aiming for bigger amounts in the future. Hopefully.
Do you want to be a billionaire?
Of course.
Negosyo, girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
In this video, we feature an entrepreneur who started at 20 years old.
Yeah.
Ngayon, 24 years old. Yes?
Yes.
Millions. So you want disclose?
Okay.
Okay. So, has a real estate investment.
Yeah.
Earning from rental income. Has a finance business. And started selling food. Naglalako sa office mates niya. Hindi siya nahiya. Paano na nagawa yun? How did he make his hard-earned money work hard for him? Let's see how this 24-year-old became a multimillionaire. Check this video out.
Hi guys, I'm Patrick Regala. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the bell button to don't miss any videos of Marvin Guermo, the legend, guys.
No. So thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the video. Hi everyone, so we just finished Stock Smarts Cebu, our technical analysis sessions. We have named.
I'm Patrick Regala. I'm a medical laboratory scientist.
Galing, what does that mean? What do you do?
Medical technologies, yung nagkuha po ng dugo, nagpa-process po.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You mentioned kanina when we were discussing, sabi mo, you wanted to trade the markets kasi medyo, sabi mo, if you stay in employment and your salary, hindi siya mataas, hindi siya ganun kalaki, or ano yung pinaka-reason?
I think kasi when you live in the Philippines, you must have at least 3 sources of income, especially if you're an employee. So that's why I diversified in stocks, business, and also rental.
Okay. Yeah. So, eto gusto ko malaman. Ano yung nag-push sa'yo para magnegosyo? How old are you? I think you're younger than me. Or you're older than me. Mukha naman ako younger, no? Guys, comment below. Sino mas bata? Younger or older?
Younger po.
Okay.
I'm 24 years old.
24? Okay.
Yeah. So, what was your question?
Ano yung nag-push sa'yo na mag-business? Ano nag-cause sa'yo na kailangan ko mag-business?
Yeah.
And then, how did you start doing business? What were your first businesses?
Yeah, actually, I push na nag-business ako kasi my parents wasn't good in finances. So that's why I find a way to make a solution to it. So that's why I started reading books, and in my college days, I was selling food. Si mama nagluluto. Tapos, my first business was food business, and then nag-transfer ako sa finance business, tsaka yun, nag-boom, tapos nag-rental na.
Okay, so isa-isay natin. You started the food business, ilan taon ka nun?
I was 20.
20? Okay, how did you come across the food business?
So, yung mama ko kasi mahilig siya magluto.
Okay.
Tapos, I get an opportunity that I was an intern in a hospital. And then, yun, nagkakapital ako. Like, for example, 5,000. Tapos, yun, binibenta ko yung 30 to 50 packs. So, yung net income, share ko kay mama.
Ang galing. So, hati kayo doon, or how does that normally work?
Actually, para sa akin lang kasi
Okay.
she supported me all the way.
Mm.
Yeah.
So, 5,000 pesos capital
Apo.
for one cooking, parang gano'n,
Yeah.
per day. Tapos you said, nauubos naman yun per day or hindi siya nauubos? How does it normally happen?
Luckily naman, yung sobra lang po ay 3, 2, tapos kinakain namin.
So yun na rin yung pagkain mo.
Yeah.
Pero, paano yun? How did you find your market? Kasi pag pagkain, yung risk doon is, you buy food, you cook it, you sell it, what if walang bumili? Panis yun. Paano mo nahanap yung mga tao na bibili ng pagkain?
Actually, the strategy is just, you must handle rejections lang. Tapos, if hindi bumili yung isa, then move again. And I think that's the lesson in life. If you get rejected many times, just do it all over again, and then don't stop and just try to achieve it.
So, nung na-reject ka, ano yung common rejection? Kasi pagkain yan eh. People normally eat food on a regular basis, especially pag pang-office yan, lutong bahay, baka kakain naman talaga sila normally. Ano yung mga common rejection pag nagbibenta ka ng pagkain? And second question, ano yung mga binibenta mo na pagkain?
Yeah. So, to answer the question, kasi yung tayong Filipino, mahilig tayo sa branded. So, if you have no brand, so may doubt talaga yung tao. So, you must keep on marketing first, that you must matry muna nila kung masarap ba or hindi. Tapos, kung masarap, doon na sila bumili. Kasi, more of us buy on brands rather than the quality of the food.
Okay. So, was the quality good?
Yeah, the quality
You
was good.
had repeat customers naman?
Yeah, repeat customers, doctors, nurses.
Talaga?
at that
Oo,
time.
pati doctors na rin?
Yeah.
Okay.
At that time. And then, my food was, sa lunch, yung mga basic like chicken, tapos meron kami mga steam rice, tsaka sa snacks, bumabalik ako sa hospital, tapos nagbebenta ng New York sandwich, yun.
So, you told me, how much were you earning per day net, removing all of the costs already doon?
2,000 to 3,000, yeah,
pesos a day.
Yeah.
Tapos, ito yung interesting. You were earning more
Yeah.
from the side income than what you were getting sa salary mo. So that's interesting kasi people nahihiya magbenta eh. Yun yung gusto ko sabihin sa lahat ng tao. If you are trying to find ways on how to earn, you are trying to find ways to get extra sources of income, you need to learn how to sell. You need to learn how, not just sell, but look for extra sources na pwede mong gawin. And what he did was he knew that it was a need naman eh. Kailangan ng tao kumain. Nandun na siya, marunong magluto mami niya. And it was an opportunity to earn more. Ilang taon mo ito ginawa?
Like, that was 1 year.
Okay.
1 year, then after doon, nag-board exam na ako. Then pumunta ako dito ng Cebu, tapos nag-try ng other opportunities. Then nag-work naman siya for 2 years. Then luckily, I provided my first own property rental.
Pero, bakit mo siya tinigil? If it was doing so well, why did you stop the selling if it was also providing more for you? Are you still working now? Hindi ka na working? So, multiple streams of income pa rin. Why did you stop it?
I think the opportunity was here that's much bigger, and then I found other ways to earn money.
So meaning actually you left lang?
Yeah.
You had to, saan ka nakatira dati?
Sa Tacloban City.
Sa Tacloban.
Yeah.
Okay, I've been to Tacloban. Anong part ng Tacloban yan?
Yun, Tacloban gusto sa city.
Saan
Pero,
doon? Sa Robinsons ako lagi na area eh. Yung Robinsons sa una, di ba dalawa yung Robinsons? Doon sa isang, malapit ka doon, malayo ka doon?
medyo malapit. Subdivision lang.
Okay, you moved here, tapos you said you opened a finance business. How does that work naman?
Yun nga, at as a young age, yun yung gusto ko i-promote kasi kulang talaga sa financial literacy. So,
Okay.
So what they did, if they have a work, so that's it. And then they spend it. Yung anong kita nila, spend na talaga. So yun, cycle, utangan naman, rat race, ganun.
Okay, pero how does it go? They pay you on a regular basis based on the interest rate that you put.
Yeah.
Okay. Tapos how long does it take for them naman bago bayaran yung kailangan nilang bayaran for you?
I think mga 5 months siguro.
Okay.
I just subdivided.
Okay.
So,
pero nakakabayad naman sila lahat. They all finish naman.
Yeah.
Okay, then third one, house. How did that go?
So yun, luckily my mother has a property in land. So what I did when I was doing my business, I saved, and then yung na-save ko, unti-unti renovate sa property. Then yun, after 6 months, it was done. Then yun, nag-start na yung yung property rental.
Okay, this was all yung property rental. This was all in Tacloban, Cebu.
Yeah. It was all in actually Biliran, but later, yeah.
Okay, you're 24 years old. You started everything ilang taon ka?
I think I started in doing
Yung food,
yung food is 20.
20. Yung finance, lending,
23.
23. Yung rental,
Ngayon.
ngayon kaka-start lang.
Start.
Ilan doors? Apartment ba siya? Condo?
Yeah, apartment.
Okay, ilan doors?
Four
Doors, up and down?
Yeah.
Sino nagturo sa'yo about the construction, about building it? Paano mo natutunan lahat yun?
Actually, kay mama, but I have a mentor. That was my uncle. He's a great businessman in Naval Gaming. So that was my mentor actually.
Pero sino naniningil? Kasi minsan problem naman sa mga apartment minsan, kung hindi nagbabayad ng rent?
No, my mother actually, she's really good in management. So yun, siya yung nag-asikaso lahat. Tapos ako lang yung nag-audit.
Okay, pero did you get a loan for the construction or everything was all cash?
Yeah, it was all cash.
How many months has it been going already na nagpaparent ka dyan?
2 months.
2 months already?
Yeah.
Pag kumikita ka, what are you doing with the earnings from the rental?
So what I do, I have 3 streams of income right now. So I have salary, business, and then the rental. Yeah. And then, so what I did, I have divided into 5. My savings, investment fund, travel fund, emergency fund, and then stock market fund. So yun.
How many percent do you put for savings at 24 years old?
20, dapat at least 40%.
Okay. How much do you put percentage for emergency fund?
At 20%.
21st. Stock market?
Yun, another 20.
20. Baba naman sa stocks. Ang baba. Pero okay lang. That's okay. It's okay. Then yung remaining, hati-hati na sa 20 for travel and ano yung isa pa?
Yung investment fund.
Okay.
For mga ventures na iba.
So hati-hati na sila sa remaining 20% doon.
Tapos
Okay.
that's why maliit na sa stocks kasi maliit pa kasi yung knowledge ko. So I invest in more seminars.
Pero did you learn a lot naman today? Nakatulong naman
sobra
talaga?
Like it's from newbie to pro.
Talaga?
Parang mentality quick. Yeah. So
Because, salamat pagka hindi ko siya binayaran para sabihin nyo na not
guys, dapat mag-enroll talaga kayo guys.
Talaga?
Dapat,
Okay.
Sulit talaga. Yung 2 days is parang 6 months na siya na merge into 1. That's, oh my God. Grabe talaga yung experience. So,
galing. Salamat. Ito naman, you're 24 years old. Ano yung dream mo? Ano pangarap mo? Do you have a target amount that you want to get? Do you want to be a billionaire? Do you want to have 100 million? Why are you doing this at 24 years old?
actually, I'm starting yan because I am aiming for bigger amounts siguro in the future. Hopefully.
Do you want to be a billionaire?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
How much in billions do you target? Para babalikan natin itong video na to years from now.
1 billion lang muna.
1 billion, okay. When did you first make your first million? Ilang taon ka nun?
Confidential.
Talaga? Hindi, obvious naman, naka-apartment ka, so alam na rin ng tao na kuha mo. Para ma-inspire yung tao on how it happened. This year, galing. So, this is so inspiring because it's nice to see people. This is something that gets saluted kasi a lot of people your age, walang ipon yan, lubog pa sa credit card. And this should be the new normal kasi Pilipino naiiya pag naiiya sila, man, dami akong pera, kinakaya siya. Pero dapat, if you're earning more, hindi mo dapat siya kinakaya. People should be proud that, people who are young are now starting to parang live life and do things at their own terms also. So, okay yun, be happy for it kasi not everyone gets to do it as well.
Yeah.
So, eto naman, challenge ko. When do you want to get your first 10 million?
28.
Okay, 4 years. Babalikan natin itong video na to. 4 years from 1 million, 10 million. Kaya?
Goal.
Encouragement for people your age na hindi pa nagbi-business.
Yeah. To those, actually, I call them millionaire. So to those millionaire, just strive hard. Look for other opportunities. We're living on an information age already. So go out from your comfort zone. Invest in seminars, invest in books. And then don't forget the most important thing in life is do whatever you want now, but don't forget your future. So that's why you must invest on knowledge in financial literacy, and then keep safe and then just follow your dreams.
Negosyo, girlfriend.
Girlfriend?
Talaga? Single, married? Single.
Single.
Okay, pero mas importante girlfriend or pera?
Girlfriend, kasi yung knowledge nandito naman.
Yun. Okay, so that's it for now. We feature people, different backstories, different lifestyles with one goal. Sana ma-inspire kayo. It's nice to see people who are younger than me who are doing well. I'll tell you this. When more people younger than me will do better, then the Philippines will be a better place. When people stop thinking na kailangan nila hintayin na tulungan sila ng charity, tulungan sila ng government, tulungan sila ng people around them para masenso sila. When people realize that they can make money on their own terms, that's when the Philippines will get better also. So I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart from Cebu City. See you all again soon. Bye-bye.